smash those like and subscribe buttons for more content. Thank you.
Welcome to the VIP. First of all, if you're seeing this video, we hope you're a part of the VIP Discord. In the VIP Discord, you'll find we're a streaming and support community. One of our goals is teaching diverse people, ages 18 and up, with various experience levels, how to take their stream to the next level. We have years of experience in IT, computers, technology, streaming, marketing, and more. In addition to our experience, the staff also stream, so they're not just teaching from the book. This is their passion, and they know both the joy and the pain associated with streaming and being a content creator. This is the first video we are going to have in a series of educational content that will help teach you what we've learned and hone the skills that you have. Before we get started with our first lesson, let's discuss what the VIP is. We're not just a Discord. We're a community of streamers that support each other. As you're seeing this, you may be asking, what does that even mean? Well, it means our community is a perfect place to learn how to build deep, impactful relationships with other streamers that know the day-to-day challenges that you're going to face. It's also a place to practice and test things out, to hone your craft, so to speak. It's an opportunity to network with others that have skills that you may or may not have fully developed. It's a fine place to network and see things from a different perspective or angle. And most of all, we're here to support you and your journey. Streaming, like almost anything worth doing well, requires hard work. Some people think it's just that they're going to be able to log in, play a game, and instantly be famous. Generally, that's not how it works. You're going to need to build a community, create good content, have an entertaining and unique stream, and do it consistently. The first tip that we're going to start off with is a streaming circle. The streaming circle can be defined as a set of action you will consistently repeat over a time period. These actions are streaming, using those streams to make good content for social media like YouTube and Facebook to work for you when you're offline, creating communities and establishing yourself in various gaming circles that interest you, and planning and prepping for your next stream. Now we're going to start off here with after you hit the end stream. This we're going to call the making good content phase. And no, you don't have to the minute your stream ends start making edits, but you should develop a plan or a routine to create media that showcases what you just did. This material will then be avenues for people to find your live stream. For example, if you play Fortnite and you stream for a few hours, you won a game, you had a few funny moments, a fail or two, and some epic shots. Using tools like Metal, which is game clipping software, or even Twitch, you want to capture these moments. And then use a video program, and there's tons of free ones, there's also paid ones, to create a small montage. Now it's important to do this, and it doesn't have to be perfect at first. It can just be a series of clips that you put together. Later you can add an intro, graphics, an outro, and some motion. You'll learn to further polish it by having transitions, music, etc. At this point, you want to be able to have people see your stream's highlights and funnel them back to your Twitch. You're also not wanting to be paralyzed or overwhelmed, so keep it simple at start. The next thing you need to do is interact and work in the communities you like. In any game you play, they're going to have a social media presence on Discord, Reddit, and just about any social media platform you enjoy. You're going to want to speak with people and make friends and relationships. For example, when I started out and I was playing PUBG, I would go to Twitch and I would look at those with low viewer counts, say hi, talk to them in their stream, and once we make connections organically, I would say I like this on their stream and mention I was a streamer too. I would say if they wanted to collaborate or even play together to hit me up. Then I left them alone. Did everybody connect with me? Absolutely not. But I still have friends on my Twitch today that stop in from that initial week of trying to connect. At the end of the day, we're all looking to be heard and we're looking to communicate. People are way more likely to visit you if you built a relationship and spent time with them than just dropping a link in a Discord. Our third phase in the circle is a planning phase. This can be as detailed as you want to be, but basically outlining how your next stream will go. It may be as simple as play X game, or it can be really detailed. I'll spend the first 10 minutes talking to the audience, asking about their day, followed by 20 minutes of me belting out the latest songs, followed by an hour of me kicking butt at a game, and closing by talking to the chat. And finally, rating out a member that will be touched by my awesomeness for rating to them. You can only be limited by your imagination here, and try to add a few things each stream to make yourself unique and different. Our final part of the circle is the actual stream itself. This is where you execute your plan. This is where you ignore that number on Twitch and you act like a star. If you're new, remember everyone starts at zero. And once you build a community and a following by staying true to yourself and your brand, you're going to see results. Make sure you're engaging with your chat. The nice thing about having few chatters is you can make each one of them feel like a prince or a princess. Make them want to come back to your stream. Don't think that people are just going to play to watch you play a game. But if you build a connection, that can be absolutely magical. It's important to give them a show. It's important to align that show to your branding. I hope you've enjoyed this first video for the VIP Streaming Academy. Before I go, I want to give you some great advice. First of all, streaming is work. In fact, it may be the hardest job of them all since you have to do so many things. Number 2, be you. You may like slurps. Someone else in this blue world will also like them. Don't be fake for a view. Number 3, don't worry about numbers. Rome was not built in a day. It's important to understand that building organic relationships takes time. It's okay. Have fun with it. Don't set pressure on yourself to do things or be the next blank streamer. 4, network, network, network. Being of service to another human is one of the coolest things. Building a relationship that understands your why is very critical. It's hard to get your message across out there in a sea of social media, so you're going to have to work hard to meet friends and build community. 5, it's okay to fail because you never truly fail at something until you stop. You just found a way it didn't work. I've had streams that halfway through I found out I didn't have sound. It happens. Learn and move on.